Lucas moved through the city like a ghost, wrapped in a gray cloak of despair. The world was a blur of muted colors and distant sounds, none of it able to pierce the fog in his mind. He had forgotten the warmth of the sun, the taste of rain, the feeling of hope. One afternoon, a canvas bag tumbled onto the pavement ahead of him, spilling a cascade of bright red apples. An elderly woman cried out in dismay. For a moment, Lucas just watched, a passive observer, as always. But then, something shifted. He knelt and began gathering the rolling fruit, his hands moving before his mind could object. He placed the last apple back in her bag. "Here you go," he mumbled, not meeting her eyes. "Oh, thank you, Dia," she said. Her voice was frail but warm. And when he finally looked up, her eyes crinkled into a genuine, heartfelt smile. It was a small, simple thing, but it struck him with the force of a lightning bolt. A flicker of warmth spread through his chest. That single moment of connection was a seed. The next day he held a door for someone, earning a quick nod. He gave directions to a lost tourist, receiving a grateful wave. Each small act of kindness was a drop of rain on the parched soil of his heart. Hope, he was learning, wasn't a destination to be found, but a path to be built, one good deed at a time.